Good morning! Today is the delivery day of this project. Meet up here at SM San Fernando, Pampanga. Meet up time at 12 p.m. We arrive first. While waiting here at the food court, I asked Michael, can I roam around first? And he said, I need to step out by the way because I don't have a signal and I need to message the guy. And then, after a while, pagbalik niya ay kasama niya na. Meet Sir Gary. He's an American guy. He's very happy and pleased and very much appreciated the project that we made for him. And he said his two sons will definitely like it and happy. And I posted these pictures with his permission. At nakapulot pa nga ng coin si Michael. Ayan. So, dinampot namin. Actually, pilit niyang dinadampot. Hindi niya madampot-dampot. And, ayun. So, tinulungan ko na nga siya. Then, after that, dito nga kami kakain magla-lunch sa McDonald's Mexico. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung chicken curry dito. Kasi basta masarap. Tapos, saucy. Tapos, actually, nakatry na ako nito sa ibang branch na McDonald's. Hindi sila masarap. So, dito, I think bago kasi yung branch na to. So, masarap yung pagkakaserve ng chicken curry nila. And, I think bago din yung twister fries nila. And gusto ni Michael. Tapos ito yung lunch namin. Chicken nuggets, Big Mac, tapos twister fries, and syempre yung akin, chicken curry na merong rice. At sarap. Bon appetit. Kain tayo guys. And nga pala hindi kami doon kumain sa may SNR kasi marami kaming bad experience doon. Hindi maganda yung service and most of the time ay pag siniserve nila yung food ay malamig and nagagalit yan si Michael and palagi yan siya pabalik-balik doon and tas ang haba ng pila, tagal mong makakain and lumalamig na lang yung pagkain, gano'n. Kaya ayun lang sabi niya, never na talaga kaming kakain dyan sa may SNR San Fernando. Never again, sabi niya. So, actually, meron kaming favorite na SNR doon sa may Kabanatuan. Maganda doon kasi good yung service and laging mainit yung pagkain kapag siniserve. Tsaka maganda talaga yung service nila kahit ang haba-haba ng pila, ang bilis mo lang din nakukuha yung pagkain mo.